Now you can see how it is rotating without any electrical power, battery or motors. Do you want to make this easy and beautiful craft without spending any money at your home? Then watch this video till the end.
Creative Students
Channel for Art and Craft and Students All-Round Development.
You can use this bottle to make the craft.
So from now, don't throw these bottles. Start collecting these Pepsi, Coca-Cola or juice bottles. I will teach you to make different things from this bottle. Stay connected. You will get different craft ideas from this channel. So at first, collect the bottle and take out the wrapper from it. After that, measure the circumference of the bottle with a tape or a ruler. See, here I have got 9 inch. You may get different because you may use different bottles. Now, here I draw a horizontal line of 9 inch in a white paper. After that, measure the length of the wings you have to cut. While measuring, we left the upper and the lower bottom of the bottle as shown in the video. We are taking only the middle portion. And here we get 4.5 inches. And here in the paper, again we draw a vertical line of 4.5 inches. Here we have to do a calculation because we want all the wings of same size. Here we got the length of 9 inches and the height is here 4.5 inches. Now at first we will subtract 3 from the total length and here we get 6. Now we have to divide the 6 by 3 because we are going to make 3 wings. As for example, if you get a bottle which is bigger size than this, let its circumference be 12. That means the length is 12 you get. So at first what we will do, you will subtract 3 from it. So 12 minus 3 is 9 and again divide that 9 by 3. We will get 3. In the same way, if the circumference is 10 inches, then first you subtract 3 from it, we get 7 and again divide it by 3. We will get 2.33 something, okay. That means first subtract it by 3 and then divide it by 3. Now here we will use this calculation. At first mark at 1 inch and then again you mark 2 inch because we have got the result here 2 inches, okay. And then again mark at 1 inch apart and then again 2 inch apart. Same way again 1 inch and 2 inch. Now draw the full vertical lines at the mark points. So here we draw the line in the same way. First 1 inch, then 2 inch, then again 1 inch, then 2 inch, then 1 inch, then 2 inch apart. Now cut at the boundaries of your drawing. After that, attach it on your bottle like a wrapper using any sellotape. Now take a marker pen and mark on the bottle on the top of the lines on the page and also in the bottom of the page. And also mark cross in the 1 inch gaps because you don't have to cut this part. If you cut this part, then it will be mistake. It will not rotate properly. So give cross marks in the 1 inch gap. After that, remove the paper from the bottle and draw straight line joining the upper point with the lower mark point. Now this 1 inches will remain attached with the bottle and this 2 inches we have to cut to make the wings. So here I am drawing the line from where I will cut the wings. Here remember that we have to cut only the 3 sides of the wings, and one side will remain attached with the bottle. Now I start cutting the wings. At first I make hole with a needle, then cut it with a paper knife or with a scissor. Remember again only to cut the 3 sides, not all the 4 sides. After cutting, open the wing like this and fold it from here properly. And repeat the process for all the 3 wings. So after opening all the wings, it will look like this, and fold it from here properly to get a proper shape. After this, we have to modify the bottle cap. After this, hit the cap with a lighter from behind. Don't give too much heat, otherwise you will damage the cap. After that, take a pencil and push gently by the back of the pencil, and you will get a bulge like this. Be careful while doing this, don't give too much pressure or too much heat, otherwise it will become like this. See, I have damaged one cap already by giving too much heat and pressure. Make a hole at the bottom of the bottle. After this, we need a strong and straight wire like this. I have used a GI wire here. You can use stick or wire which is thin and strong and can hold the butter without bending or vibrating too much. Now it's time to color it. Now you can use your own creativity to color it, and also you can make designs on it to make it beautiful. Now my craft is ready to use, and let's see how it works. So at first I have fixed it in my roof. You can fix it in your balcony where wind goes without any obstruction. Now after that I put my craft over it. Now it is ready to play, and just wait for the wind to blow and see the magic happens.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next craft. Bye bye.